So much for the update, Rahmat Idris from Brisbane, Australia. United Nations Office of Disaster Risk Reduction, or UNDR, noted efforts on reducing risk of disasters around the globe have been hampered by the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the organization continues to urge goodwill from governments to invest more in building resilience and finding solutions to reduce disaster risks.
Following the conclusion of Global Platform for Disaster Risk Reduction convened by UNDR in cooperation with Indonesian National Disaster Management Agency in Bali in May 2022, it has been discovered that actions and solutions are of the utmost importance. Reiterated by a special representative of the Secretary General for Disaster Risk Reduction, Mami Mitsutori, there has been a great calling in Bali to look for solutions. Resilience in communities is highly essential, and this requires support from the national government. On this point, UNDR will begin working with communities not only for them. In the meantime, midterm review process of the Sendai framework as global protocols to reduce disaster risks is currently ongoing, with its culmination that will take place in May 2023 in New York as a way to understand the level of global achievement to reduce disaster risks. The forum will serve to produce political declaration to enhance the commitment to fulfill Sendai framework by 2030. However, targets of achievement have been missed in the past couple of years due to COVID-19 pandemic.
Currently, we are unfortunately off track on most of the targets, especially on losses and mortality, because so many people, 17.7 million people died of COVID, of people affected, of the loss of economy, of damage to critical infrastructure. So we need to reverse this.
Currently, 128 countries have already had risk reduction strategies, and UNDR will continue to support most vulnerable countries. Within 5 years, UNDR will establish provision for early warning systems as a way to reduce disaster risks.